Okay. Now I started recording, Nina. Happy afternoon, everyone. Please be seated, right, everyone? Okay, we will play one small activity. After that, we will go for the topic. Okay, if you are ready, show thumbs up. Madhuri, don't sleep in the class. I'm not singing any song. Okay. Actually, the interruption. Okay, when I say healthy food, you can raise your two hands like this. Okay. When I say junk food, you can nod in your head like this. Are you ready? Everyone? Okay, super. Healthy food. Junk food. Healthy food. Junk food. Healthy food. Junk food. Junk food. Junk food. Healthy food. Healthy food. Junk food. Now I want to tell fast. Healthy food. Junk food. Healthy food. Junk food. Healthy food. Junk food. Healthy food. Junk food. Okay, superb. Very good. Now I want to give claps to everyone. మీకు వచ్చిన నిద్ర కాస్త పోయిందా? ఎగిరిపోయి ఉంటుంది మీ నిద్ర కదా? Okay, now you are keep smiling. Super. Very good. Okay, what is today our topic? Already in the previous class we discussed about activity 1, finding varieties in our food. Okay, now I want to share the screen, Nana. Observe carefully. After that, I will ask the questions to everyone, if it is possible. Okay, are you getting any screen? If you are getting any screen, you show thumbs up like this. I can understand. Okay, welcome to our class. What is the chapter 1? Our food. Today we are going to learn the activity 1, page number 2. Those who have textbooks, you just open it. Activity 1, finding variety in our food. This is the table. Depends on this table. Now I want to ask the questions. To whom I will ask, you should give the answers. So observe the table carefully. Here some of the students' names has given and what they have eaten also given in the table 1. Ashok, Neelam, Raju, Ramu, Ravi. They have eaten something. So that is listed in this table. Observe carefully. If you are ready, show thumbs up. I can ask the questions. Okay. Concentrate on the screen. Okay. Then, this is the question, Nana. To whom I will ask, you should give the answer. Sahasra, what are you doing in the shop? Okay, this is the question to Sahasra. How much you observed? I will check now. Are there any common food items in the list? ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన లిస్ట్ లో ఏవైనా కామన్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఉంటే గనక వాటిని చెప్పు నన్న. ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ ఫాస్ట్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద కామన్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఇన్ ద లిస్ట్? Sahasra, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me.
Pulihora.
Common food items. From these five students, అన్ని కామన్ గా ఏవి ఉన్నాయి అందులో? యూ కెన్ లిస్టెడ్ అవుట్.
Tomato curry. Rice.
Rice is common in all. Okay, rice is the common.
Chapati.
Anything? Chapati. Okay, very good. Everyone, please be checked now whether she is correct or not. Anything else? Bread jam.
Bread jam. Vegetables. Dal. Milk.
Okay, these are the common food items in the list. Very good, Nana. Super. Okay, please be concentrate on the class now. Please be mute yourself. Next, Tulasi Ram. Unmute yourself now. Okay. Tulasi Ram. Unmute yourself. Count the number of food varieties listed in the table. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన టేబుల్ లో ఎన్ని వెరైటీస్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్స్ ఉన్నాయో కౌంట్ చేయి స్పీడ్ గా. కౌంట్ ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఇన్ ద లిస్ట్, ద గివెన్ లిస్ట్. కౌంట్ ఇట్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఐ డోంట్ నో టు హూమ్ ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్. నేను ఎవరినైనా అడగొచ్చు. సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఐ కెన్ రిపీట్. Did you get Nana? Tulasi? How many? How many food
9, teacher.
Nana?
10.
10 food items are there in the table. Super. Very good, Nana. Very good. Next, please be mute yourself. Next, this question goes to Vamshi Vardhan. Vamshi. Vamshi, do all the students eat the same type of food items? Do all the students eat the same type of food items?
Same food items. ఒక్కొక్క దాంట్లో.
ఓకే, అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న స్టూడెంట్స్ లో అందరూ ఒకే రకమైన ఫుడ్ తిన్నారా? Yes or no? Say yes or no. Tell me, Nana. Yes or no?
Variety food items.
We are not getting your voice, Nana. Please tell me. Yes, you are saying yes, but no one is not eating same food. ఒక్కొక్కరు ఒక్కో రకమైన ఫుడ్ తిన్నారు. ఓకే, అందరు సేమ్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ తినలేదు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ గోస్ టు Pragnay. What are you looking on the screen?
Yes, teacher.
What are you looking on the screen? Do you want to eat this? ఆ స్క్రీన్ మీద కనిపించే చూస్తుంటే తినాలనిపిస్తుంది కదా?
On teacher.
How taste? Okay. అంటే బాగుంది అనిపిస్తుందా? Pragnay, tell me Nana. What are the food items you are looking on the screen?
Teacher, puri, sweet, biryani, chicken curry.
Okay, but I don't want to give it. Okay, because that is slide. అవి రియల్లీ కాదు, నేను ఇవ్వలేను కూడా. You don't ask me. Okay, very good, Nana, very good. And we eat different kinds of food in our daily life. రోజు మనం ఒకటే కర్రీ ఒకటే విధంగా తినం. We eat different varieties of food in our daily life. Okay, very good, beta. Next, Mohan Krishna, sit properly, beta. Are you getting bored? Yeah, what are you looking on the screen? Okay, you are in mute, I think. Okay, tell me, Nana.
Rice,
Rice,
cucumber pieces,
rice, dal, one curry. Curry also there. Cauliflower curry, fry, and some cucumber pieces also there. Okay, daily in our menu we can eat this. These are the common food items we can eat daily: rice and dal, one vegetable curry. These are the common food items. Very good, very good, very good. Next, now who is there? Veeravarshini, unmute. Please on your videos, beta. On your videos. If you on your videos, I can ask the questions. Otherwise, I don't ask any questions to you. It's depend on you only. Varshini, what are the food items you are looking on the screen? Please tell me. You can tell.
laddu,
Do you like this?
yes teacher.
Okay. What are they? ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ?
No, only laddu only teacher.
లడ్డు, అటుకులు, వీటిని ఏమంటారు మీరు? తెలంగాణ భాషలో అయితే గర్జలు అంటారు. Okay. And do we eat this type of foods in daily life? Do we eat same? No, we can eat on occasions, special occasions. We can eat different kinds of food. Okay, these are the different kinds of foods. These are the varieties of foods in our daily menu. Okay, this is about activity 1, Nana, and I want to show your homework. Please take the screenshot, everyone. This is your homework. Please take the screenshot. Now I want to ask some of the questions to someone. Are you taking screenshot? Okay. This is the homework. You can take the screenshot, Nina. You should write in your notebook. Okay, now I want to ask the questions from this. If you are ready, show thumbs up. I can ask them. But you should on your videos, Nina. Otherwise, I can't ask you. Omkar. This is the home task. Fill in the blanks, Nina. You can fill the correct suitable words in the blanks. Okay. Here, I have given answers also. These are the correct answers, but you can fill in the blanks which are suitable. Okay. I hope these are very easy to you. Omkar, unmute yourself, Nana.
Teacher,
Yeah, can you read what is the first fill in the blank, beta?
teacher, fruits are dash foods.
Yeah, can you answer it?
Teacher, healthy.
Fruits are
The fruits are healthy food.
very good. Super, Nana, super, super. Very good, very good. Did he correct? Everyone, if he correct, show thumbs up. Yeah, fruits are healthy foods. Very good, Nanankar. Next. Geeta, speak. Unmute yourself. What is the
Teacher.
second question, beta? Second fill in the blanks. Can you read?
Yes, teacher. We need dash to get energy.
Yeah, what is the correct answer, beta? We need dash to get energy. What do we need to get energy? I have given answer.
Teacher,
From that, which is the correct answer, you can select it. Did you get?
vegetarian.
Tell me. Your friends are
Teacher,
eagerly waiting to answer.
vegetarian.
We need dash to get energy. మనకు ఎనర్జీ కావాలి అంటే మనకి ఏం కావాలి చెప్పు? ఏం అవసరం? Which word is
food?
there?
Teacher, the
నీకు ఎనర్జీ రావాలి అంటే నువ్వేం తీసుకుంటావు చెప్పు? జనరల్లీ ఐ యామ్ ఆస్కింగ్ యు నన్నా. నీకు ఎనర్జీ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? నువ్వేం తీసుకుంటే ఎనర్జీ వస్తుంది?
వెజిటేబుల్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఎనర్జీ
Yeah, what
వస్తుంది.
are they are called? Vegetable, fruits, వీటన్నిటిని ఏమంటాం?
హెల్దీ ఫుడ్.
హెల్దీ అంటారా వాటిని?
వెజిటేరియన్.
Vegetarian. What are they? Okay, I will go to another one. You can correct it. Okay, after the answer, you can correct yourself, Nana. Ananta, unmute yourself, Nana. What is the correct answer there? Ananta. Geetesvi, you tried well. Okay, don't worry. Ananta Lakshmi. Now I will go to Anish. Tell the answer, beta. We need dash to get energy.
It's a food.
Yes, simple answer. Geetesvi, did you get now? We need food to get energy. Manaku energy kavalante manaku food avasram. Okay, you said vegetables, fruits like this, but what are they? They are called foods. నువ్వు చెప్పిన ఆన్సర్స్ చాలా వరకు కరెక్టే కానీ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఫుడ్. ఆల్రెడీ ఐ హావ్ గివెన్ అబౌవ్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఆన్సర్స్ ఆల్సో. ఆ పైన ఉన్న ఆన్సర్స్ లోంచి కరెక్ట్ వి సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి అని చెప్పాను. ఓకే, బికాస్ దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ హోంవర్క్, యూ డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్. సో ప్లీజ్ బీ కేర్ఫుల్ టు ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్, వెరీ గుడ్ Nenna. Now Noman, unmute yourself, Nenna. Are you writing? Then write the correct answer. Noman, what is the third one? On occasion, we
Eat a large of
dash items. Noman. On occasions, పండగలప్పుడు మనం చాలా ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో ఏం తింటాం? A large dash items. Where are you? Then please on your videos, everyone. Otherwise, I can't ask you. Those who have on their videos, I am asking them only. So please on your videos.
fruit.
Yeah, Vilasni. Tell me, Nana, what is the correct answer there?
Teacher, can I tell Teacher Shashidhar?
Yeah, Shashi, tell me beta.
Teacher, on occasions we eat large variety of food items, teacher.
Very good. Large varieties of food items. Varieties is the answer.
Teacher,
Next.
ఇప్పుడు next నేను చెప్తాను టీచర్
Next.
సడన్ గా
Tell me, Nana. We need food to dash and dash.
we need food to live and grow.
Super. Very good, beta. Very good. Everyone, please got the answers, Nana. Next. Divya. Pizza is a dash food.
Pizza is a junk food.
Very good. Very good. Pizza is a junk food. These are the fill in the blanks. And this is your homework, Nana. Please take the screenshot. Fruits are
teacher.
healthy foods. We need food to get energy. On occasion, we eat a large varieties of food items. We need food to grow. And pizza is a junk.
Pizza is a junk food.
Okay, have you taken screenshot? If you are take
Yes,
the screenshot,
teacher.
thumbs up. Okay, please be muted.
Okay,
Nana. Those who have unmuted. Now I want to stop the screen sharing, Nana. Okay. Those some of the children they didn't get the chance. Okay. Now they have on their videos while screen sharing. Some children are off their videos. Monitor teacher is observing, but still you are off your videos. Okay, then I want to ask the question to Ananta Lakshmi. Ananta.
Teacher,
Okay, why do we need food, Nana?
to get energy and grow.
I need a complete answer.
We get energy and to grow.
Yeah, we need food. You should say in complete manner. I don't want one word answers. Tell me better. Ananta. Tell me. Why do we need food?
We need food to energy and to grow.
We need food to get energy and grow. Very good. Next, Chetan. Can you give some
Teacher.
examples of healthy foods?
Fruits,
Okay.
vegetables, dals and rice.
Don't eat. You are eating something. Don't eat. Okay. Very good, Nana. Very good. Next, Satvika. What did you learn today, Nana? What did you learn? You can tell one point. From today class, what did you learn? ఈ రోజు నువ్వు క్లాస్ లో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నావు చెప్పు. Did you learn anything? What did you learn? Speak up. I'm not getting your voice, Nana. Is there any network issue? Your voice. I'm not getting your voice. Chart in the chart box, Nana. If you're not getting it, please chart in the box. Okay, I can see that. Shashi, don't eat while taking class. Whatever you can do before class, you can do it. Okay, this is not good manner, beta. Next, Sunny. What did you learn from today class? ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ లో నువ్వేం నేర్చుకున్నావు? Our food and activity 1. 2 varieties in our food. Okay. That is today topic, and those who have not completed table 1, you can complete it in textbook as well as in notebook. Notebook lo rayali, alage textbook lo kuda complete cheyandi. And this is also one of the homework already which I have showed. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చూపించాను కదా, fill in the blanks, అది కూడా మీకు homework ఏనన్నా, అది కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. And teacher, your voice is good, thank you. Now I want to ask Gautam. Unmute beta Gautam. Gautam.
Teacher.
Enna, what did you learn from today class? Today's class lo em నేర్చుకున్నావు చెప్పు. Any one point? Did you learn any new thing?
Teacher, today.
Okay. Ananta, wait, Nana, I will give chance. Tell me, Nana, Gautam.
Teacher, repeat the question.
What did you learn? ఈ రోజు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నావో చెప్పు, ఒక్క సెంటెన్స్ చెప్పు. What did you learn? Didn't you learn anything? ఏం నేర్చుకోలేరా ఈ రోజు?
Teacher, teacher,
Yeah, your voice is good. Tell me. You learned about? You are taking to time, Nana. ఇంకా వేరే వాళ్ళు అడగాలి కదా.
Teacher, I joined just 5 minutes, teacher.
Okay, you joined very late, so you can watch the video, Nana. You can understand the topic. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, I go to one teacher. That's why I am missed.
Okay, Nana. Okay, but daily you should attend a particular time. Okay, don't be join late.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, about our food activity. Activity 1, finding variety of food. That is the activity, Nana. If you have completed, okay, no problem. Those who have not completed in your textbook, please you can complete it. And buy the books, complete the activities. Ananta, tell me your doubt, Nana. What is your doubt?
Do we write homework in notebook or rough book, teacher?
You should write in your notebook, Nana.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. In the new notebook, you should write. If you have no textbook, I can't do anything, Nana. Please, you can buy the textbooks.
I have textbook, teacher.
Any doubts? If you have any doubts,